How to hide what game you are playing on Steam. So first open up your Steam app and make sure that you are logged in. Now once you're there, just hover to your account right here on the top, then click on it and just simply click on view my profile. Now once you're there, just click on edit profile right here. Then it will bring you to this page. Now just click on privacy settings here at the bottom. Then it will bring you right here on your privacy settings of your profile. And then what you can do is just go to the game details, which is this category includes the list of all games on your Steam account, games you've wishlisted, your achievements, and your playtime. And this setting also controls whether you're seen as in game and the title of the game you are playing. So what you can do now is set the privacy to friends only, private, or public. But if you really want to hide what game you're playing or something, you simply need to click on private. And that's what basically hide all of the infos. But if you only want your friends seeing it, what you can do is just set it to friends only and just make sure this is enabled. So it always keep your total playtime private even if users can see your game details. And that's how you basically hide what game you are playing on Steam.